Keeping test repositories up to date is a significant hurdle for quality engineering teams. Manual auditing of test cases is not only slow and error-prone, but also incredibly taxing. In fact, mature testing teams often spend up to 50% of their time simply updating existing test cases to keep pace with product evolution. Introducing BrowserStack's Test Case Maintenance Agent. This specialized AI agent is designed to update your repository automatically as your product changes, eliminating manual effort. Stop wasting time on test maintenance. Our agent keeps your suite perfectly synced with every product change. Instead of starting over, you just update what matters and automatically bridge the coverage gap for new features. Spend your time on strategy, not fixing broken tests. Let's see it in action. First, let's open the test case generator slide over and see how we can launch the test case maintenance agent. This is a guided workflow designed to update the current test suite with new product specifications. The user provides the updated documentation, such as a Jira ticket or a PRD. The settings are adjusted to focus the AI's analysis on a specific area of the repository, ensuring the updates are localized to the relevant feature set. The agent analyzes the uploaded documents against the existing test cases. We can see its reasoning in real time, identifying functional gaps and pinpointing exactly which existing tests no longer match the new product logic. The results are presented as a summary of required changes. Opening a specific test case shows a side-by-side comparison of the original steps versus the suggested modifications. This view highlights the specific delta in the logic, such as a change in a billing flow, allowing for a quick verification of the update. Here, the user can accept or reject the suggested test cases. The user can further refine the output by providing additional instructions via a text prompt. The agent processes this feedback immediately, recalculating the test steps and coverage requirements to better align with the team's specific needs. After a final review, the updates are committed to the repository. The system synchronizes the changes, archiving outdated information and adding new validations, which brings the entire test suite up to date with the latest release requirements. BrowserStack's AI agents are a self-improving, context-aware companion for your debugging and maintenance needs. We analyze over 7 million tests every day for the world's leading teams. Avail a free trial and get started with smarter test case maintenance.